how to convert any video into a GIF on iPhone. So if you want to convert any video into a GIF on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your shortcuts. After opening your shortcuts, you need to go with the gallery, which is on the bottom right. And here you need to search for video to GIF. Once you search for it, you'll have your video to GIF. You need to go with the plus, which is on top right of that video to GIF icon. Now you can go back, go with cancel, and then go back to your shortcuts. And as you can see that you will have video to GIF right here. So you need to tap on it. After that, select an image. Once you've selected, wait for a few seconds. Now you can play it if you want to. And as you can see that your GIF has been created. Now you can go with save, which is on the top right, and your GIF will be saved. In this way, you'll be able to convert any video into a GIF on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.